Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML hide columns. Hide columns. The hide columns in the table. How to hide our columns inside the table. You can hide columns with the visibility property along with collapse property. So I'm going to show you how this works. Inside our table, don't forget we are having our column immediately after our table. That's how it should work. But if you are having caption, you can give it a caption. After the caption, you can have your code group. But immediately after our table, that's where you can have your code group. After that, inside our code group, we can have code span to do the magic. So inside this code span, you can see here so we have discussed about having double calls inside your code group. You can watch our previous tutorial. We have different playlists for this. So again, what we want to do right now is that we want to hide the visibility of some columns. So but it's going to be some column groups. So let me show you how it works quickly. Inside here, you can see we have a core. The core element is not having a closing tag, don't forget. And also, now we are having two attributes, which is span attribute along with style attribute. Inside this span attribute, we are having we specify theory value, and inside the style attribute, we specify visibility collapse. That's the thing we want to use right now. We want to use the visibility collapse. So quickly, let's get back to our document to see what we are having. Right now we are having this. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial on this. If you don't know how we got here, we have different separate playlists, especially for tables and columns and all that. You can check our tutorials on this HTML playlist. You can find it there. So to be able to follow along, let's check our code. This is our code that we are having here. So right now, what are we going to do? We want to hide we want to collapse some column groups. So some column groups, like let's say for instance now, like from Sunday, all these column groups from this at this Sunday and at this Saturday, we want to collapse all of them. We don't want to see them, we want to hide them. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to do inside this red column here. You can see we are having red. Is only one column group, right? The red is only one column group. And what they mean by core element? The core element specify the groups from the top to the down. That's how it works, from top to down. So let me now show you something now. Here, let's now specify visibility inside the style here. Instead of background, let's change this to what? Visibility. When you specify the visibility collapse, you are going to see what will happen. Come back to our document. You are going to see this Saturday, Sunday, or everything that starts from this Saturday will disappear. We are not going to see them again. But this Monday to Friday, we are going to be seeing them. So let's reload it. Wow, can you see what happened? We are seeing only the Sunday, but we are not seeing the Saturday. That's what I want you to get there. Now, the reason why we are saying all this is Sunday is because we specify one. But let's say we mistakenly specify two here. I want you to get the point. Now, reloaded can you see we are not seeing the Sunday also? So never forget. Anywhere you want to specify these numbers here determines a lot. It's very, very important to understand. The numbers of columns, the column groups you are trying to clear out, you are trying to style, or you are trying to give border or background is very, very important. So let's say we specify one here now. Let's reload our document. Go to BT, only the Saturday only. You can see we are not seeing the red column there. Well, let's say we specify, let's use the 0. Maybe the 0 also will work. It's not going to work. As you can see, the 0 is the same. So let's now do something. What are we going to do? Let's give it 1 here, and let's turn this one to 1. Our empty span is 1, right? So as you can see, it came back here because our empty span is 1, but still, because we are having what feasibility collapse there, it's never going to work. Now let's say after this feasibility collapse, we want to specify another span. We can specify another span. Let's give another span. We write our code and we can give it span. When we write our code element inside here, we can give it span. Inside the span, we can give it 1. Let's just give it 1 to see what is going to happen. Style element here, we can give it background color of yellow. Let's give it yellow green. Let's reload our document. Can you see what happened? We're having Monday to Wednesday. The Thursday is no more there. Do you know the reason why the Thursday is no more there? Because we use feasibility collapse inside one element after what? After our empty span, after our empty column. After our empty column group, we gave another one, another column group. We gave it visibility collapse. Notice very well. After what? After our empty, you can see this one is empty without any colors. That's what we specified here. You can check our previous tutorial on empty code group, so you can be able to understand what I mean by this. We explain it easily, so you can be able to understand. So definitely we can use this code element here in any way, the feasibility status here in any way. Let's reload our document for to see what is going to happen. You can see our Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, everything displays normal. But when we put it, let's say we put it at the front of this Friday here. Now let's say we put it behind this Friday here. It's going to, the Friday is going to have Saturday, Saturday is going to have Sunday, Sunday. So that's what it's going to do. The Thursday, let's give it after the green and reload our document. Let's reload our document. Can you see? As you can see, we're having Saturday, Sunday. We are no more seeing the Friday there. The Friday disappeared. So that's feasibility collapse. Let's say we want to collapse the Saturday also. We're going to say, we can say automatically we can increase this to 2. So it can shift to Saturday also, so that it can reflect on Saturday also. Can you see the Saturday? Let's say we want it on Sunday also, we can shift it to 3, so it can reflect on Sunday also. Can you see? Because we started from where? From Friday. So it's clear everything from the beginning of that, from everything after the Thursday reach Friday, reach Sunday and Saturday. Now let's say for instance, now we gave it 1 to only hide and to only collapse the Friday on. As you can see, the Friday is not there. But one thing that will happen is that as it collapsed the Friday on, we can do something again. You can now say, okay, oh, we don't want we want another one again. Let's say we want another span here. Let's say we want another span here. Sorry. Let's say we want another code here. Let's give it this. Let me copy and paste this one. No, code element. Inside the code element, we are having span. Let's give it 1 and let's give it style. Let's say background color. Let's give it aquamarine. Let's reload our document. Can you see? The Friday is no more there. It's no more there. It's not going to be there. That's how it works. But you can see the color shifting. The color is shifting all around. But the Friday is no more there. Anywhere you put this visibility collapse, it's going to collapse the thing. But you are going to look at your document very well before you can know where you want to collapse something. Let's reload this. As you can see, let's say for instance now I want to collapse something from the Monday to I want to collapse this only Tuesday only this Tuesday only. What are you going to do? Definitely you are going to decrease this Monday. You are going to decrease the color. Definitely the Monday is going to have this one that is having double something is going to have one, only one, and you are going to specify your Tuesday. Let's say for instance now, this one is going to, this one that is having blue violet is going to have one. When we give it one span, let's reload. Can you see the Tuesday is no more there, right? But you can see this thing shifted back. That's how it works. Now we are going to remove, let's say we want to hide this Tuesday so that everything can work the way we think it's going to work. So let's get back here. Under here we can now specify the visibility collapse. When we specify the visibility collapse, we're going to, the Tuesday is going to disappear. All these are going to get back to the way they was. Now can you see the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is there, but the Tuesday is no more there. As you can see, I want you to practice this thing very well, because it's very important to practice, because practice make perfect. If you don't practice this, there's no any magic in it. I'm not sure how you are going to cope with it. You have to practice. That is how you can understand the deep science behind it. Let's say for instance now, this one is back to true. You're going to see what will happen. All this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you are seeing color there. The color will be there, and the Tuesday is going to come back because we specify two. As you can see, Thursday, Friday is having color, but because we specify two, that's why the color came back to the two. But let's say we don't specify two here, the color will shift to the Wednesday here, and if let's say it's only one we specify here, the color will just shift to the back automatically. That's how it works. Let's specify one here now. Specify one. We are going to see Thursday, Friday is going to, this Saturday is not going to have color. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is the one that is going to have color, and this white is going to come to the blue. Can you see? White is having, as you can see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So make sure you practice this. This is what I have for you today. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And to the next.